Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shazi Info. In this video you will learn how to use control panel. So we will click on and write control panel, or we will click here on control panel. The whole options and settings of computer will show on the screen. Control panels controls all these options, so all options will show here. So we just need to apply our desired function. If we want to make some changes in our computer, we have to visit here. So that is the basic. And the first option you can see is action center. Action center, if you click on action center, the first option you see that the security of your computer. So if you click here, you can see that the window update. If you want to update window, or you want to get the window notification properly, you just click to hit on. You have to turn it on. And if you want to virus to protect your computer from viruses, so you can click here virus protection. Currently not monitored, so we don't have any enough space to install the virus softwares, so that's why I cannot be able to apply this button. So internet security setting is okay, user account control is turn on, and network access protection is off. So network access protection agent servers is not running. If you want to know that what is network access protection, so network access protection is platform that need administrator can use to help protect the security of network. When you connect to a corporate network that use NAP, network access protection, your computer is checked to make sure that it has the required software and setting, and that the software and setting are up to date. If anything is missing or updated, your computer can be automatically updated. Your network access might be limited during that time, but usually this process happens quickly, after which full network access is restored. So that the main object of this NAP. And maintenance, check for solution to unreported problem. So you can make some settings here accordingly. And the next option is administration tool. If you click on administration tool, you can see the main softwares of this window, or these are all administrative tools. So the whole computer is programmed by these tools, these administrative tools. So we'll just go back. Or the next is autoplay. If we click on autoplay, we can be able to click our default program settings. So that is the main object of the autoplay. And backup and restore, so you can restore the computer if you need to restore. So if you did not subscribe my channel ms shazi info, please subscribe my channel